Stand by.
Finished up mode show clear.
Stand by. Yeah, you got it. Yeah, finish. Stand by. Stand by.
What's the time there?
4.44.
Is that good?
Yeah, it's better than everybody.
What's up, Internet? It's an ad. If you're a gun guy like me, you might also be a knife guy, and if so, check out the links down below for some great knives to check out. This one of my current favorites from Migron, the Solora. Under 60 bucks for this guy. Great action, love it. And also down below, check out the links to eknives.com and pvk.com. Get $25 and $10 off your order for various pocket knives. This would be a ProTech automatic they have there, and some Microtech stuff, or any other kind of stuff that you might like. Check them out down below.